Ava and Ben are sorting welcome cards for newcomer families. At one point, Ava gave 18 cards to Ben. After that, they both had 47 cards each. How many cards did Ava have at first? Pause the video, try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Walk the steps backwards from the end. Think about what would undo Ava's gift. Start at the end. After Ava gives 18 cards to Ben, both of them have 47 cards. Picture this final moment clearly. That is our anchor. Now reverse the transfer. To undo the gift, send the 18 cards back from Ben to Ava. A gift forward becomes a gift backward. What happens to the counts? Ava gains 18, so she goes from 47 to 47 plus 18, which is 65. Ben loses 18, so he goes from 47 to 47 minus 18, which is 29. We wanted Ava's starting number, and it is 65. Let us check by walking it forward. Ava starts at 65, and Ben starts at 29. Ava gives 18 to Ben. Ava now has 65 minus 18, which is 47. Ben now has 29 plus 18, which is also 47. Both have 47. The numbers match. This is the working backwards idea. Start at the end. Undo each step in reverse order. A gift forward becomes a take backward. A take becomes a give. The numbers reveal themselves. The answer is 65 cards. Working backwards is the most reliable move when a problem describes a sequence of actions and gives you only the final state. Imagine the end, then unwind one step at a time. The next level adds a second step. After that, 3 people. Then full contest-style reversal patterns. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.